Hi, my YouTube friends, and welcome back to my channel. I am Dee, and you are viewing The How To Lady. My channel offers information related to a plethora of things. We look at health, fitness, we do organization, DIYs. I may even talk about counseling because I'm a licensed counselor. I may offer information relative to healthy eating. I tell you, I like to view my channel as eclectic, and it offers various things for many people. So if you're interested, stay tuned, and we're gonna get this ball rolling, and we're gonna knock it out of the park. In today's video, we will be exploring another way to store and sanitize our makeup brushes. Let's get into it. Hello, my YouTube friends. Yes, as indicated in the introduction, we are going to show you a cost-friendly way to store your sanitized makeup brushes. I like to call it a sanitized makeup storage. I showed you a way to store your brushes that in a way that was a little more costly. We had a glass jar that we used with the top. That was really cool. We added beads. If you want to see that video, just check out the notification on this screen. If you hit that notification, it'll take you right to the video. Then we also showed you another way that was not quite as costly, using some things that you already had or making a very inexpensive purchase. That video is also available as well. And you just click on the notification on this screen and it'll take you right to it. But today we're going to show you a way to make a storage, sanitized makeup container that should cost you $0. If you have these things around your home, I promise you, you can make this storage container. Keep your makeup brushes sanitized and ready to go. So we're not going to talk on and on and on. We're going to get right to it. So here are the things that you're going to need. Some of these things are optional, like this. This is going to decorate the container that we plan to use to create our sanitized storage container for our makeup brushes. You will also need some scissors and my hefty nifty glue gun. You will need that. And definitely some glue sticks, and make sure you use the proper size for the size glue that you are using, whatever your gun requires you to use, whether it's the smaller size or this larger size here. Make sure you get the right size for the glue gun. Then we're going to need a empty tissue box. It can be any tissue box. One of the things I want you to be aware of, you can decorate this box any way you like. One thing I like about these tissue boxes, and make sure that you get the one that is more tall than it is wide. Those long ones, not so good for this project, but you want to get one that looks pretty much like this. The taller, the better. And the main thing I want you to remember is once all the tissue is gone, don't tear out this plastic covering here. This is going to act as your sanitizing device. It's going to protect your sanitized brushes, okay? All right, so the first thing you want to do is measure out the space around the bottom of the box if you choose to decorate it with the faux rhinestone ribbon. And I've already done that. And then we're gonna attach the faux rhinestone ribbon here. And for the most part, that's going to be it. However, you can paint this box if you like. Many of you may remember the DIY project using a tissue box to hold our remote controls. Well, this is the same type of tissue box. We just painted it and jazzed it up so you can paint the tissue box. If you're interested in this video, please check out a playlist on my channel titled Videos Related to DIYs. But I love the color of it. It goes with wherever I'm going to put it because this color for me is somewhat neutral, but I think it fits in a lot of color schemes. But you can color it to fit your color scheme in the room that you're going to place your makeup brushes in. So here we go. We're going to start out gluing. Isn't that awesome? I love it. It's absolutely beautiful. Now, you can also decorate the top of the box if you like, but the choice is yours. I'm going to leave mine like this because I like it. All right. Do y'all want me to put some at the top? I'm trying to fight it, but I think I'm going to do it. Yeah, that really dressed it up. I like it. Yes. So the next thing we're going to do, and I know you're thinking, how is this going to keep the brushes from getting dust and things like that on it? That is the importance of this little flap right here. So how we're going to store these brushes pointing down. So we're going to keep our brushes color coded by putting a little colored tape on there. So that one's blue. See? And I know that's my foundation brush. All right, my fantail brush. Ooh, it is gray. Then I have another brush here. That's for my blush. It's hot pink. Yeah. And then I have another brush that I'm going to be using a black and white strip of tape on to color code it. So this way, when I stick it in my box, downwards, so the brushes are clean. After you've cleaned your brushes, then all you have to do is stick your brushes down in your container. So here we go. Boom! And there's the other one. Woo-hoo. And the other one. And the other one. And this plastic here keeps a lot of dust from getting down there on your brushes. So your brushes can stay sanitized. What do you think? I think it's pretty cool and it's very inexpensive. So for those of you who do not want to spend a lot of money, try to create a sanitized place to store your sanitized makeup brushes. This is your solution, all right? Check it out. Until then, stay beautiful.
Since the makeup brushes are facing downward in the container, color coding the tip of the handle of the brush ensures that you select the correct brush when needed.
Thank you for watching, my friends, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.